there, my curious friend. It's me, Una. You know what I just found in my pocket? A shiny brown horse chestnut. And it reminds me of the most wonderful story my friend Ula from Poland told me. Want to hear about it? Come closer. So, Ula learned this tradition from her grandmother, and her grandmother learned it from her grandmother, and that grandmother learned it from her grandmother, going back and back and back. Picture this. It's autumn in Poland. Golden leaves are swirling everywhere. Suddenly, thunk, thunk, thunk. Glossy brown chestnuts start tumbling from the trees. They're so smooth and shiny, like little treasures. Polish children rush to collect them. So here's something cool. A horse chestnut is really a seed. That means every chestnut you find could become a huge tree as tall as a house. Pretty magical, right? But here's the amazing part. Ula tells me these aren't just pretty seeds. They're charms. Now listen to this. Ula tells me the chestnut doesn't belong to the person. It belongs to the jacket. Once you place a chestnut in a coat pocket, it stays with that jacket forever. The chestnut has chosen that specific coat. Of course, you take it out when grown-ups wash the jacket, but then right after, it goes back in. Polish families believe it will help you find an easier path through life. When you wear that jacket with its chestnut tucked inside, you're carrying a little guide, smoothing out bumpy roads, opening doors, making your journey gentler. In some parts of Poland, people have a special respect for chestnut trees. They wouldn't cut them down. The trees are like guardians watching over families. Now, here's the thing. You don't want your chestnut to go all gross and mouldy in your jacket pocket, right? Ew! So, before you tuck it in, you need to prep it first. Ready? Step 1. Find a perfect horse chestnut, firm and shiny with no cracks. Step 2. Mix water with a tiny bit of white vinegar. About 1 big spoonful for a big bottle. The vinegar keeps mould away. Step 3. Pop your chestnut into the water. Let it soak for a few hours. Step 4. Take it out. Rinse it. Then dry it really well on a towel for a whole day or 2. It needs to be totally dry. Step 5. Here's the magic polish. Take just 1 tiny drop of mineral oil on a soft cloth. Ask a grown-up to help. Gently rub it all over your chestnut until it gleams. This oil keeps it shiny and stops it from getting wrinkly. Wipe off any extra. Final step. Let it rest for another day, and then it's ready. You can slip it into your chosen jacket pocket. Every few months, give it another tiny polish. Check on it like you're visiting an old friend. You know what I love about this? The chestnut doesn't belong to you. It belongs to the jacket. When you wear that jacket, all 3 of you become a team. So, you know what would be an absolute blast? Close this screen and ask a grown-up. Are there any chestnut trees nearby? Or do you know a forest or park where we could go together? Autumn is the perfect time to find them. Look for trees with big leaves that spread out like fingers. Look for shiny brown chestnuts on the ground. Make it an adventure together. When you find one, pick it up and bring it home. Then you and your grown-up can preserve it together, just like I showed you. While you're preparing your chestnut, think about which jacket will be its forever home. Which jacket makes you feel brave? That might be the perfect jacket. Thank you to my friend Ula and her babcia for sharing this beautiful tradition. Go find your chestnut. It might be waiting for you right now. See you soon, explorer.